Hello, my name is Henry. I'm currently working on my funded Dodecahedron Kickstarter project. If you're not familiar with their project, it's a dodecahedron that's about softball size. It's made of 12 individual aluminum panels, and the entire thing is held together by magnets. What I have here today is showing you the fixture that's used to drill the holes for the magnets. And this is a 3D printed fixture, and this is one of the panels, and the ideal is for the part to go in here, and we will drill on this surface. Now everything is at the right angle, everything was designed in Fusion, and the hole in the back of the fixture is used for my location, and it's also designed for easy loading and unloading, as you can see. And what I can do is I can run a few parts here to show you how this works. And basically the CNC is just set up to come down and drill an 1/8 inch hole and retract, and then I can rotate the part and repeat the process. So let me run a few parts here and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so that's one panel complete. As you see, it's very quick and easy to go to the next side. And if you're curious about how many I have to do, I have over 1,000 holes to drill, so I'm going to be here for a while. Okay, there you have it. Yes, that is a jam box sitting on my mill table. I've been listening to a podcast called Within Tolerance. If you guys haven't heard about it, it's actually pretty good. I recommend you take a listen. Anyway, that's all I have. 3D printing came through in a pinch here. It's fully customized and for everything I need. So I couldn't imagine trying to mill this out of aluminum. It would be a nightmare, probably impossible for some of the features that I have in it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I appreciate it, and see you next time.